Welcome back to Yekni. Fellow dog lovers, welcome to a captivating journey into the world of one of the most enchanting and storied breeds, the Afghan Hound. Today, we embark on an exploration that unveils their timeless elegance, historical significance, and the unique bond they share with their human companions. Let's start with their distinctive appearance and historical origins. Imagine a dog that moves like poetry in motion with a coat that flows like silk in the breeze. The Afghan Hound's distinctive appearance is a testament to its ancient heritage, dating back over 4,000 years to the rugged mountains of Afghanistan. In those ancient lands, they were bred by local tribes, honing their hunting skills amidst challenging terrains. This rich history makes them more than just dogs. They're living links to a time when the human-canine bond first began. Next up is their graceful movement and high energy. As they glide gracefully, they evoke a sense of regal splendor, truly fitting for the king of dogs. Yet, beneath their elegance lies boundless energy. Afghan hounds thrive on active engagement, making them ideal companions for those who seek adventure and play. Their high energy levels reflect their historical role as hunters, their agility and speed allowing them to pursue prey across rugged landscapes. Let's examine their independent nature and gentle demeanor. The Afghan Hound's independence adds to their allure. Their aloof exterior hides a gentle and affectionate heart, forming strong bonds with their families. This blend of independence and loyalty mirrors their heritage as hunters who had to make quick decisions on their own in the Afghan wilderness. It's a mix that creates a dog of unique character, both self-reliant and affectionate. Afghan hounds are good with children and intelligent. Canine companionship is enriched when shared with families, and Afghan hounds can be wonderful playmates for children when properly introduced. Beyond their patient demeanor, they possess keen intelligence that thrives on challenges. Activities like obedience training and dog sports allow them to exercise both their physical prowess and their sharp minds. The Afghan Hound's sight-hound instincts make them natural hunters, ever ready to chase moving objects. Yet their regal appearance belies their relatively low shedding coat. While grooming is a commitment, their reduced shedding can make them a viable option for allergy sufferers, and their coat's beauty adds to their mystique. Their coat, often likened to a flowing tapestry, requires regular grooming to maintain its beauty and prevent matting. But grooming isn't merely about aesthetics. It's a ritual that fosters a unique bond between owner and dog. The palette of coat colors, creamy whites, deep blacks, fiery reds, reflects the diversity that enriches their striking appearance. Beneath their dignified demeanor, Afghan hounds possess a playful nature that emerges during interactions and playtime. Engaging them in activities strengthens bonds and keeps their active minds engaged. Early socialization is pivotal to ensure they navigate the world confidently, forming a vital part of their upbringing. The Afghan hound's loyalty runs deep, creating an unbreakable bond with their owners. However, responsible ownership requires commitment. Grooming, training, and socialization are essential for their well-being. Those who welcome Afghan hounds into their lives are rewarded with loyal companions, enriching their journeys. Beyond their elegant demeanor and unique characteristics, Afghan hounds hold historical significance that spans millennia. From their ancient role as skilled hunters in Afghanistan to their depiction in artworks and texts, they remain a living connection to our shared past. Their legacy speaks volumes about the enduring partnership between humans and their beloved canine companions. The Afghan Hound's movement is nothing short of captivating, resembling a dance of elegance and grace. Their long, flowing coat enhances their striking presence, while their regal demeanor has earned them the fitting title of the King of Dogs. This majestic combination of beauty and poise stands as a testament to their unique place in the world of canines. The Afghan Hound's coat is a work of art in itself, requiring meticulous grooming to maintain its splendor. But grooming isn't a chore, it's a ritual that deepens the bond between owner and dog. Regular brushing prevents tangles and matting, ensuring that their coat remains lustrous and free-flowing. This grooming process celebrates their beauty and fosters a unique connection. Rooted in their heritage as hunters, Afghan hounds share an intricate bond with the natural world. Their history of navigating challenging terrains has left a mark on their souls, making them lovers of outdoor activities and adventurers at heart. Their ability to traverse various landscapes with grace speaks volumes about their ancient partnership with nature. Their eyes hold a wisdom that transcends words, a deep gaze that captivates all who encounter it. Beyond their regal exterior lies a complex personality, a blend of independence, gentleness, and enigma. Their reserved nature invites us to explore their world and earn their trust, offering glimpses into a world that combines mystery and affection. Afghan hounds, with their regal presence and deep historical roots, stand as more than just elegant companions. They serve as guardians of a profound cultural heritage that traces back thousands of years to the rugged landscapes of Afghanistan. These majestic creatures embody the spirit of a land rich in traditions, a land where they once roamed alongside tribes and nobles. As they find new homes in far-flung corners of the globe, these dogs become living symbols of Afghanistan's legacy, carrying its essence and heritage with them. In the homes they enter across cultures and continents, Afghan hounds transcend their roles as mere pets. They become emissaries of history, carrying stories of a distant past and preserving a connection to a people and a way of life. Their presence not only honors the ancient bond between humans and animals, but also acts as a bridge, forging connections between different lands and cultures. Welcoming an Afghan hound into one's life is an invitation to participate in the ongoing narrative of an ancient breed, a narrative that spans time, geography, and the universal language of love and companionship. With every wag of their luxurious tails and every dignified stride they take, Afghan hounds remind us of the power of heritage, the beauty of diversity, and the enduring significance of our shared human canine journey. The Afghan hound's allure extends beyond its role as a pet, transcending into the realm of cultural icon. Their elegance and beauty have inspired art, literature, and even fashion, symbolizing refinement and sophistication. Their image carries a symbolism that captures the essence of grace and the appreciation for life's finer aspects, inspiring creativity and admiration. From rugged Afghan mountains to homes around the world, the Afghan hound's appeal knows no bounds. People from diverse backgrounds unite in their love for these dogs, forming a global community that celebrates their magnificence. This international network not only cherishes the Afghan hound's beauty, but also fosters connections among kindred spirits across continents. While the Afghan hound's charm is undeniable, responsible ownership is key. Their unique needs, grooming requirements, and independent nature demand commitment. Prospective owners must be prepared to invest time, effort, and dedication in their care. By meeting these challenges head-on, you'll be rewarded with a loyal and majestic partner. As the world evolves, the Afghan hound's legacy endures and evolves alongside it. While their history is rooted in hunting, their role has expanded to include therapy work, dog sports, and beloved companionship. By recognizing their significance and embracing their multifaceted nature, we contribute to the ongoing story of the Afghan hound, ensuring that their legacy shines brightly for generations. And there you have it, a comprehensive look at the world of the Afghan hound, an exquisite breed that weaves together history, elegance, and a unique bond with its owners. From ancient hunters to modern-day companions, their legacy lives on. Join us in celebrating these magnificent creatures who continue to capture our hearts across continents and generations. Thank you for joining us today. Remember to hit the like button, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments. Until next time, keep exploring the world of dogs and cherishing the magic they bring into our lives.